TP Nation, hey, this is a brand new day of mercy and grace, and I know that you have been afforded that grace. Hey, want to say thank y'all for tuning in to Taylor's Pride Homestead, where we're here on our way to self-sufficiency. Hey, real quick before I go any further, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel to grow. The algorithms move towards those particular likes, so I would truly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Furthermore, today I want to show you what the raised beds now look like. Ladies and gentlemen, the raised garden beds are amazing. Well, one of the beds are amazing. The other one is just okay. Maybe y'all can help me out, but let me let you see what the raised bed looks like. Here is our raised bed. Hey, wait. Guess what I see, y'all? Look what I see. A tomato. We've got our first tomato on our raised bed garden. Would y'all look at this? Look at this. I've got to go out and get some wire and put around our tomatoes right now because I can already see this is getting ready to be amazing. Look at these tomato plants. There's more tomatoes on those plants. Would you look at that? We've got tomatoes, y'all. We've got tomatoes. Check out the collard greens. Now, I want to show you something that I believe, I don't know what the deal is, but I'm going to show it to you. There's a cat digging in my garden here. We're going to get these cats out of here. But I want y'all to see what I'm getting ready to show you. Look at this garden here now. Check this one out. Look at this raised beds. This is beautiful. Check out our cucumbers are coming up nice. There's a little concern about that, but I guess it'll be all right. Check it out. There are peppers. Oh, man, we got peppers on our bushes, y'all. Oh, man. Check it out. Now, you see how big these collard greens are, right? You see how big these collard greens are? Now, notice over here on this raised bed, this side isn't doing too well. Now, I don't know what the deal is. Now, I did take and pour that manure and pine shavings that was in our broder box. I did pour it in this box. Mama told me to put some fertilizer, and so I decided to put some that chicken manure in here first just to see if we can get it to jump. Now, it is growing. Now, I've got to come out here and spray some of that sevens dust because you can see we do have little bugs that are flying around, so we want to take care of that. But if you notice, this side is nowhere near comparison to this side over here. This is totally amazing. Yeah, we got to get this 7 spray because I can see holes all in our collard green bushes, and that ain't going to happen. We're not going for that at all. Yep, we got to go get some spray and spray this garden. But this is, hey, first time. I'm learning. I'm thinking that it's just the plants are too close together, so actually to give them actual space to grow. I'm thinking that's one of our issues. So we won't do this the next time. We won't put the seeds so close together. But this side over here is just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go and get that 7 spray and start to spray this because this is absolutely amazing. We've got tomatoes on our bushes, y'all. We've got tomatoes on our bushes. This is beautiful. Look at those collard green plants. Now, remember, I planted these collard green plants all at the same time. I planted those the same day that I planted these. Total difference. Total difference. Total difference in size. So we don't know what happened over here. But we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. Hey, let's go over there. Hey, real quick, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please, on Taylor's Pride Homestead. We're working on the yard now. We started yesterday. The guys worked and moved a lot of the stuff yesterday. Our chicks. Remember, they are no longer baby chicks. These are actually chickens. I got a phone call this morning from one of my friends. Told me that she had 2 3-week-old ducks that she wanted to give to me, that her ducks would not accept them, and she wanted to find out if I wanted them. So I told her, well, man, maybe, yeah, I'll take the ducks. Now, I don't know because putting chickens inside of this, I don't know. Maybe they'll get along. But I know I can't put baby ducks out on the homestead just yet because these cats would probably kill those baby ducks. I don't know. Maybe they might or might not. I don't know. But I don't want to take the risk. But let's check out our baby chicks. Well, I keep saying baby chicks, but they're no longer baby chicks anymore. Chickadees! When I call them chickadees, they come running to me. Chickadees! Hey, y'all. Hey, chickadees. Hey. Hey, chickadees. Hey, chickadees. Now, there's some pretty big chickens in there, y'all. I promise you. It's some pretty big chicken. Now, what I did was I changed out their food because they was eating out of this too fast. This little small thing right here, it was, by the time I get home, it would be empty just like it is right now. So what I did was I moved to a big feeder that would last them for at least a couple of days because these chickens can eat. So what I did was I went to this big feeder right here. As you can see, I went to that. Hey, chickadees. How y'all doing? You know my voice? Look at this big one right here, y'all. Now, that's a big chicken, right? Hey, chickadees. How y'all doing? Got some big old claws. You got some big old feet, right? Hopefully that's not a boy. I hope it's a girl. But, I mean, these jokers are huge. And they constantly eat as they always do. Let me let you see what this new feeder. I put all this wood on here because it was raining for the last day or so, so I didn't want my babies to get all wet. This is some steps to be bought for our deck. Y'all check them out. Get back, baby chick. Get back. Get back. I don't want you to come out here. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, baby chick. Hey. Y'all not babies anymore. You big chickens. Aren't they big? They've got food all over. But I put this big feeder in here, so this would last them for a while. Hey, baby chick. So, TP Nation, hey, I'm learning a lot about being a homesteader, and I'm loving every minute of it. I pray that your day has been blessed, and as always, I try to give you an encouraging word. Can I tell you today's encouraging word is you made it. That's enough. You made it. Through all your trials and your trauma and your tribulations, I'm telling you that you made it. You made it another day. I went to work this morning to find out one of my co-workers whom I really just getting to know her died on Friday from COVID. I won't give her name out of the sake of her family privacy, but she died. Young girl too, man. I'm telling you, man, every day is a day to say I made it. And when you get home from work, just say, God, thank you that I made it. I made it. Listen, there are people dying on their way to work, dying on their way home from work. Guess what? You and I, we made it home. So that's my encouraging word for you today, is that you made it. Hey, I pray that tomorrow is going to be a better day than it was today. And I know it will be, because we serve a God who looks beyond all of our faults and takes care of all of our needs. And if he has done it before, God definitely will do it again. I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hey, you made it. Peace. Sneak peek of the deck. Sneak peek.